Today, we have some good news. We've been talking about GLM 5.2 on this channel and how you can access it for free. I'm happy to tell you that as of today, the 3rd of July, NVIDIA NIM has just released the GLM 5.2 and you can access it for free. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can configure it. As a use case, we're going to configure it in OpenCode so you can use it for your programming activities. Let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to go to build.nvidia.com. Right there, you're going to go under models. So you can see the toolbar there. You're going to go under models and you'll see if today is the 3rd, you'll see that this model has been uploaded today and it has free endpoints. That's what we are looking for. So if you click GLM 5.2, you're going to see how you can configure it within your code. One thing that is important is the way GLM 5.2 is set here. It is set as an OpenAI compatible endpoint. So what that means is wherever you're using OpenAI endpoints, you can use GLM 5.2. That is great. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to look for this endpoint, which ends with /v1. And that's the first thing. So I'm going to take this and maybe just copy it. And for now, I'm just going to press it right here just to store it. And then once you've done that, you need to log in or sign up. So in this case, I'm going to provide my email and click next. If you're doing it for the first time, it is going to give you a registration form. So you're going to configure it. In this case, it is asking me if I want to secure my account, but not now. All right, so it has taken me back to the same page, but right here at the top, you can see that it has logged me. And you can see here, there is my name, and then there are API keys. And there are also rate limit to these things. In this case, NVIDIA NIM offers 40 requests per minute, but this may depend to usage. So if a lot of people are using these endpoints, you may get some issues with the endpoint. But that is good enough. So I'm going to go under API keys. And right here, you can see I already have some API keys, but I am going to generate a new API key. I'm going to call this open code because I'm going to use it inside open code, and I'm going to generate. So this is the key. Do not use mine. I'm going to delete this. Just go and get your own. So I'm going to copy the API key. Now, after setting up the API key, the next step is to open OpenCode. If this is your first time using OpenCode, then you have to go to OpenCode. There are these methods of installation, but for this process alone, I would recommend using the desktop version. So you're going to download the desktop version if you're using Windows or if you're using Mac or Linux, you're going to choose one of these. And once you've done that, you're going to open it. And this is my opened desktop application of OpenCode. Now you're going to go under File. Right here, you're going to go under Settings. And inside Settings, what we're interested in are the providers. And here you can see that it says connected providers, and I configured the Cloudflare Workers AI API key, and I have an option to disconnect it, but I don't want to do that. What I want to do is to connect a new provider. And right here, if you see among the list of providers, there is also custom provider at the very bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect a custom provider, and the provider ID in this case is going to be NVIDIA. And we also need to provide a display name. So this is going to be NVIDIA as well. And then the base URL is the one that, if you remember, I said we should copy this. So it is integrate.nvidia and it ends with the v1. And this is an OpenAI compatible endpoint. So I'm going to paste it right there. And then the next thing is the API key, which I'm also going to get it under this one. I'm going to paste it there as well. And then the next thing that we need is the code for the model. So for the model code, we're going to go back under models. And if we click the model that we want, we are going to go under, let's say, this one. So this is the model that we want, ZAI GLM 5.2. So I'm going to go back and paste the model ID, and this is GLM 5.2. And you can add more models, but I'm not going to do that. And then we're going to submit. Hopefully this works. It says NVIDIA is already there. Because NVIDIA is configured in this, what I'm going to do, it's either there are two options. You can delete the first NVIDIA endpoint that was provided, or we can give it another provider ID. So for this use case, I'm just going to say NVIDIA custom. Since this is a custom provider that we've added, I'm going to click save, and it says NVIDIA connected. NVIDIA models are now available to use. So in this case, you can see, since we already configured one model, there is here GLM 5.2. So I'm going to select this, and let's see if it works. So I'm going to say hi, and hopefully this gives us a response. You see, it says, hi there, what can I help you with? So in this case, we are using GLM 5.2, and I hope you can use it to create a good project for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because we always keep you up to date, and we bring these free resources for you to use every single day. So until next time, have a great time.